What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I got a screen protector by Caseology called Film. Now, it costs $12.99 and it is for the Galaxy S10 Plus. And supposedly it does work with the in-display fingerprint sensor, so you shouldn't have any problems. There is some very unique instructions to this screen protector, so I'm here to do it and have you guys follow along. If you decide to pick this up, I will leave the links to this particular screen protector down below. Again, this may be an alternative to some of the more expensive ones that's out there, and at $12.99 this is not bad, a bad screen protector to at least give it a try, instead of going the other route and figuring you could have went with the cheaper one. Anyhow, as part of the instructions, please wait 24 hours for any bubbles in the initial installation to go away. That is a must. So when you go ahead and you do the installation, there might be some bubbles. It's not to say that bubbles is part of the installation, but if you do see any, please give it a chance for those to dissipate within 24 hours. So let's get it out. Let's get to work. Now this is like a real hard cardboard box, so as you can see, I already had it partially open. You do get two screen protectors, alcohol rubs, and a microfiber cloth to dry. A little card for the cloth. First off, I'm going to peel off the screen protector that comes with the S10 Plus. Now it's hard to believe that this particular screen protector has a retail value of $30, but if that's what Samsung want to tell us, I guess that's what it is. So my cleaning should be a lot easier because of the fact that I've never removed that screen protector, but for those who have already removed it, you should follow these cleaning instructions. Take the alcohol swab and wipe it down to clean the screen. I need to power the phone off first off. So first off, make sure your phone is powered off. Could be a lot of camera bumps here because when you do it behind camera, that type of stuff tends to happen, camera bumps. So please excuse that. Microfiber cloth, they give you two. Clean it off. Next step is to take off any type of particles that may have accumulated on the screen. I would take the most time doing this because once those dust particles are under that screen protector, you're going to have to live with it. The actual screen protector, just peel per each letter. So first off, the A. This is to allow you to set everything up. It does have a tiny little notch to set up with the actual speaker. You can pull and readjust as much as possible. And the screen protector is supposed to be case friendly. So once you're satisfied with the angles and how everything is looking, you will go ahead and remove B. But until then, do not go to B until you are completely satisfied with what you see from the initial A installation. Once you're completely happy with how portion A turned out, and it does give you a quick outline of the phone, you can check to see if it's crooked or anything. Basically doing this part is probably the hardest part of the entire installation. Next step is where you'll lift B up like so. Take this card and push B out to help with the first part of the installation. This also helps smooth out any bubbles and any problems you may have. Next step, C, lift up. You start by peeling it out just a little. You can see how I got like a little pyramid working there. Then push it out. And while you're doing it this way, it should hopefully take out any kind of bubbles you may have. So far so good. The last part is D. which is the face of this right here. Go over this a couple of times though to make sure you got a good install though, because you're about to pull off the last part of it. D, and that pretty much does it. You can go ahead and smooth out any little bubbles you may have. But again, they did say the bubbles will dissipate over time. But so far it looks pretty good. I like this. Case friendly, supposedly. We will test that out over time. It does cover the camera. But for the most part, there is some bubbles across the tip. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to check back in about a few days to let you know how these bubbles have disappeared, if it has. Again, 24 hours. Nice, clean installation. Keep note of that. We're going to check back in that very same area in a few days on my channel, and we'll see how much that went away. But it was pretty much of a easy 1, 2, 3 type of installation. All right, now that I got this on, let's check the fingerprint sensor though. That's one thing I know people may want to see. Let's check it out. Works nicely. Fingerprint sensor again. So the Caseology screen protector works really good with the actual screen protector. So that's a big plus. So you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to redo it. Sometimes when you do a new screen protector, like those tempered glass ones, you pretty much have to redo it, but not with this one. So again, that pretty much does it for the Caseology Film Screen Protector. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.